Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, we're going to be moving all my fidgets from my fidget store to the bathroom because we're going to be washing them. And, I don't know what else I'm going to do, but I'm going to be reorganizing them. So it's kind of like reorganizing day, but this is just part one. So let's get right into the video. Today we're not going to be washing them, we're just going to be moving them. So let's go grab some bits. Everybody, since these aren't really fidgets, I'm not going to be washing them, and I wouldn't wash them in a million years in a bathtub, you know. And I'm not going to be washing any putties or any squishies. First, because they have peel on, peel off eyes, because I made them. And then second, because they're squishies. I'm just going to be taking out all these. I'll be putting everything that's broken, that, you know, I don't know. But yeah. We'll take this out first. I'm just gonna, there's my elf. We're just gonna jam pack my, you know, just, yeah. Oh, and none of my slimes are gonna go. Yeah, none of them are gonna go. Those are all just squishies. And boops. Ew, why are those socks? I'm sorry. Should have witnessed that. Y'all just saw my sock. I totally forgot about my flip flop. Okay, perfect. So we're just gonna be loading stuff in there. I'm literally just putting anything in there that will fit. Excuse me. Sorry. Just got the voice today. Sorry, I don't know. I just hurt my finger really bad. So now it hurts. And so now I can't really move it. So far, so good. So next, I'm going to be taking this one and those two and putting all my stress balls in one. Which might be probably the worst idea, but probably not. Might be good, but also, oh, that was a long slide. But it also might be bad. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Probably. I don't know. We'll just see. I'm like, yes, no, maybe, probably not. I don't know. I just don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea. I don't know. Can't tell ya. Can't predict the future like crazy people can. Raise your hand if you ever predicted the future once. Like, if your parents are gonna get... No, I'm just kidding. No one can predict the future. No one knows. You can only guess what people are gonna say. So, in that way, Raise your hand. It's me. Yes, I've predicted what people have said before. Like, only twice. Still counts, still counts. Now, I'm gonna ask my dad if I should put this in the water or any sensory fidget. Because I'm not ready for it to be broken just because of me. Oops. No, that's my mochi. My mochis are disgusting, so I'm washing them. You guys are probably wondering, like, I thought you said you were just gonna put my stretch balls in there, blah, blah, blah. Whatever, you guys. They're my fidgets. Just kidding. You guys wouldn't do that, because you guys are sweet. I think my hamster's stuck. Stuck. Like, is running on his wheel, under his wheel. And I think he is right under there. Okay, so far, so good. So good. Dump this whole thing in there. Oops. Oh no, another mochi. Okay, so we're gonna go put this in, that in. Yeah. Oh my gosh, just dumping these out and putting them all over here. It's taking forever. Okay. So far, so good. Just gonna set that right there and I'll be right back. Okay, next thing. That one's really heavy. Put it on. Next one. Probably the heaviest right there. Oh my gosh. One more. Actually, a couple more. No. I can go on top. Okay, you guys come with me. Dad, can you help me at least just grab the drawers out? Okay, we're so close to done. We just gotta grab the drawers out. The drawers. And just put them in my bag. Okay?
You want to put, do you have more?
Yeah, but just put them, those guys in my bathroom for now. I can take these.
Here, just put them in. Put them in.
There's one more. Okay. Nope, he's under his thing and just running. Because he's trying to get to the other side. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Put all my pencils back in. We're delivering Christmas cookies. So we gotta go. And I'm gonna go. Whoa. Okay, perfect. It's been 9 minutes and 10 minutes. And this is what we've gotten done. And there's no more. Okay, so I hope you guys watch part 2, and I love you guys. Peace.